My name is Dr. Jack Liggett. 4 years ago, Dr. Mario Ammirati removed a malignant tumor from my brain, a very bad prognostic one. Ended up practicing in the hospital, taking care of sick kids and newborns in the hospital. That's what I did for the past 30 years.
Dr. Liggett had one of the biggest malignant brain tumor that I have ever seen. He had a glioblastoma multiforme that is the same type of tumor that killed in less than 1 year Senators McCain and Kennedy.
It was just such a shock because we just never expected that to be the reason why he was confused. We thought it was maybe a stroke or something. And when they said it's a brain tumor, that was just devastating. And so I called my daughter right away. She was over in Romania, and she said, I'll get on the first plane. And that was so good. And my other kids came and stayed with me during the surgery. And then we got to see him after, and he just looked awful. And I thought, oh my goodness, this just is awful. The next morning, the phone rang and he just said, hey, and he was back to his old self. I was just so amazed.
He told us what he could do, that he could do it, that he could handle it. And
very confident
that he could handle it. And he'd had a lot of experience. He had worked at the James Cancer Center for several years as a neurosurgeon for people with tumors in the neurological system, central nervous system.
He's one of the world's foremost leaders in diagnosing, removing, and treating malignant brain tumors with care and precision while prioritizing his patients' quality of life and physical functions.
I am so happy of seeing him being alive and being able to enjoy the life, travel the world, and enjoy his grandchildren. That really makes sense of all the effort that we put into treating our patients.
I was so grateful to be able to recuperate from the surgery, and within several months, maybe 6 to 9 months, to start taking some vacations. And we took some cruises, and they were very nice. And it was great to be able to do that so soon after surgery. And I was grateful to Dr. Ammirati because he got me back on my feet.